Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of checking the weather app separately while planning your day, you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring how to add weather directly to Google Calendar for 2025. This nifty feature keeps you organized by blending forecasts right into your schedule, making it easier to prepare for events like outdoor meetings or family outings. Let's dive in step by step. First, ensure you have the latest version of Google Calendar installed on your device. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. This is crucial for accessing new features. Once you're in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu, then select Settings. Scroll down to the General or Add-ons section, where you'll find the Weather Integration option. Tap it and enable the feature. It's that simple. Google will prompt you to grant location access, so go ahead and allow it to pull accurate weather data based on your area. Next, customize your settings, like choosing your preferred location if you're traveling, or switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit for temperature units. Now, when you switch to your daily view in Google Calendar, you'll see the weather forecast displayed prominently alongside your events. For example, if you have a hike planned, you'll spot rain icons at a glance and can reschedule accordingly. Remember, if you encounter any issues, make sure your app is updated or check Google's Help Center for region-specific tweaks. That's all there is to it. Adding weather to Google Calendar is a game changer for 2025 productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.